Kids. This weekend, Art Basel is going on in Miami. We're going to some of the events that are kind of like spin-off events of the actual main event. Of course, we're interested in like the fashion shit that's going on. Yeah, we're gonna go there and I'm gonna see what footage I can get. Hope you enjoy.
Basically, it's like an open format event.
And so what are you wearing? Let us know.
So basically, these are like a sample pair of pants I made. This is a little tank top that I made for Complex Con, like a little capsule.
Okay.
This is a jacket that I made. Also, this is a hat that I made. And these are $10 glasses I bought right there.
Is there anything you're looking to purchase, like fashion-wise?
So I was gonna consider selling all my rig for Balenci. There's a lot going on, so I sold all my rig to host this event, and here we are.
How would you describe your style?
Comfortability, not even just the way it feels, like also environment too, like adapting to the environment, being comfortable around other people and shit like that. But yeah, here we are, modern punk.
Alright, where can people find you at? Just say it in the mic.
Instagram, Zen, Master, P.
I'm Tyler.
What is your brand called?
Tyler, it's based on me.
Okay. You're wearing ass pizza?
Wearing ass pizza.
It's such a
Pretty
funny
much
name.
It's like so this is ass pizza. I got the ass pizza, and then I bleached the denim myself.
Okay.
And I got the palm angels on my feet.
Yeah.
I have a custom bag designed by me. Kind of shit. So yeah, it's kind of what we're rocking with. So have you ever seen?
So what is your Instagram?
So it's Tyler, but it's Ty Liar, but there's another I with the liar.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it was super nice interview.
Nice meeting you. St. Lawrence.
What are you wearing?
Today we're at STL Slide. It's my brand. I think these are like some recent pants. Nice vintage tee, Maryland, Stone Island jacket. They're cracked. My dog bit them.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I kind of go with the weather. So today I kind of go to the rain. Go on a stony. I just like to be chill. I go with gray tone colors. Just chill shit.
Is there anything you're looking to get?
Like pieces was?
Yeah.
Penelope hoodie. Other stuff, but like I don't want to give up stuff.
And where can people find you?
On Instagram at St. Lawrence st.LARANCE or STL02.
What are you wearing?
What am I wearing today? Alright, so I'm wearing like a Vivian Westwood skirt from the Red Label. My homie Espinals, some boots that I thrifted, and Espinal the shirt again. Some Japanese brand, I forgot the name of it, and some vintage rings. Got this shit from Walmart. I'm not even lying to you. And Ren on me. Vintage crucifix, Cuban. That's all.
Like any pieces you're looking to get?
It's a lot. I can't even say that. It's a lot. I love Rick Owens couture pieces. I need all of it. I don't care how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna get them.
How would you describe your style?
Just rain style, that's it.
Alright. Oh yeah, where can people follow you?
Follow me at Destroy Rain. I'm dropping in Paris on the 22nd of December, so check that out.
What's your name?
My name is Federico Santa Maria.
What are you wearing?
Alright, so I have Espinal pants by my
Oh
friend
damn,
Austin.
yeah.
I see a lot of people
Seth
wearing
is
them
wearing
today.
them too, yeah.
Hoodie from Walmart.
Okay.
Here I just got this shirt actually on Madrid. I just went there for vacation and got it at Tim Burton museum exhibit. So this is one of his original artworks.
Okay.
Necklaces. This is a cross that I've been wearing for years. I've never taken it off.
Okay.
And then this I got off a wine bottle. I have actually no idea what it is or where it's from or what it's called, but it's my mom's. I thought it was cool. I saw it in her closet. I'm like, Mom, that's mine. Sorry. Everybody already knows what those are.
Are there any pieces you're looking to get?
Well, I actually just ordered another pair of Espinal pants because that's my boy. Love him.
What influences you in your style?
Influences me. I've never been much of a fashion guy per se, but I think definitely my friends are my biggest influences. Most of my friends do fashion and stuff like that, so I kind of just take it. I am Exomnia, EX0MNIA.
Hey, it was nice to meet you. So what's your name?
Tyrone. I got the Alchemist, Simple Alchemist. I got ends.rp, Dolce & Gabbana on the pants, and then got some thrifted boots, thrifted snow boots. Got some jewelry, YSL. That's pretty much it. Influenced my style, honestly. When it comes to just creativity and always exploring, I don't really stick to one style necessarily. Whatever I could get my hands on and whatever I could explore to, I'll just throw together. A big influence would be Bloody Osiris as one. Also Virgil too, but he's more of a higher up, someone I more gotta reach than actually attain. So.
How would you describe your style?
Style, oh damn. I tend to dibble and dabble into the streetwear and mainly business wear. I'm not gonna cap. It's either more business casual attire or fully streetwear pretty much.
To get for pieces.
I like supporting local brands. Florida is a place where a lot of creatives are trying to work, releasing stuff. So I shout out Arachne Fields. Honestly, New Heroin. You're gonna hear about it. Shout out New Heroin. Alchemist, Balenci too. People can find me on pretty much all platforms. Typhood TV, TYFOOD TV. And you can find me out anywhere. IG, all that.
What's your name?
Travoski. I go by Trevo.
And
Alright.
what are you wearing?
Alright, on top we got the WVP, Walter Van Berenot. Then on the chain we got this rosary I forgot where I got it from. Got the pissy diamonds in the ears, some light shit. Capital football tee, Capital bone dinner, Japanese shit, you feel me? Our legacy shit, And we got the airports let me hard.
Okay. What are you wearing on what are the shades?
These are Prada.
Okay.
Yeah, some light shit.
And what inspires you in fashion?
To be honest, just finding myself, to be honest, I made this shit every day. I'm only 18 years old. I just turned 18, but I'm really finna be on ahead of this shit. I'm finna be at the top. Just watch me in a few weeks.
What are some things you're looking to get fashion-wise?
I really want to get into more Japanese, archive shit, brands that people don't really know about, you feel me? Cause I feel like everybody's trying to start a brand for the wrong reasons. I don't know why.
How would you describe your style?
I'd say just how I'm feeling, my mood, during the morning, if I'm just on some chill shit, then I'm gonna wear some chill shit, but if I wanna feel creative, get in my creative zone, that's how I can get fly. Yeah. Trevoski.
Well, it was really nice interviewing you.
My name's Jay West.
And what are you wearing?
It's Chino Givenchy. And we got some working on a skate cargo.
Look, the cargo basket.
Cargo rig. This shit's crazy. From last season. I don't even know what it is, but this shit hard.
How would you describe your style?
It's casual. I just throw on what I want to. It's gotta pop off type shit. I own a brand too.
Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Let me pull that shit out. I own a clothing brand too. We got something on us. We got a little chain on us right now. That's at Freedom of Speech Official on Instagram. Fuck with it. That shit on the store right now. At JWSTTTT. 4 T's, yeah.
Awesome. It was super nice interviewing you.
What's up? I'm Hayden. Wearing Veblen MIA in Miami, Florida. I'm wearing a 2015 Givenchy Riccardo Tisci Rottweiler hoodie. I got an APC flannel around my waist. There's a Rick Owens like muscle tank, Rick Owens sissy skirt, and then a Margiela retro fist. And I'm looking at cops. Any Sterling Ruby like mainline shit, like not the rap shit, but like the Sterling Ruby, just like SR Studio, anything SR Studio, and then like good like ERL pieces, like certain ERL pieces are really good. And then like Bernard Wilhelm's really good. Putting y'all on that, that's secret sauce. Those brands are really good. Anything KTZ, any runway hoodwear. Yeah, just
Where can people find you at? Do you have like an Instagram?
yeah, it's Trioxtico. TRIAUXTICA.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Cole.
And so you are a designer, yes?
Yeah, you can say I'm a designer, yeah.
And so the backpack is yours, correct?
Yep, ends.rp.
What else are you wearing?
I got the controversy pack on right now from Bro.
Nice.
Bro, a little bit of Balenciaga on the back. This is the bag, ends.rp.
Nice.
Fur bag. Undercover belt. ends.rp as well. I actually made these ones from start to finish. A little bit more of the controversy down here, Balenciaga. These are also by me as well. Ends.
Yeah, let me see.
What's on my head? Dior.
Yeah.
What is it? CP Company.
So how would you like describe your fashion?
My fashion, I'd say it's kind of like punk oriented. People will say like distressed stuff is like that punk style. It's not anywhere near formal. It's like the farthest from formal type shit. That's what I do, I guess you could say.
So would you say that that's like your personal style, or like how would you describe like your brand? Like
brand is definitely punk.
Also aligns with that?
Definitely aligns with me.
And so what are some of like your influences, like fashion influences?
Like whenever I think about this, I would say like nobody really influences, but I can't say that. It's more just like life, seeing people in New York City, in LA, seeing people and how they dress. But if we're talking about like brands, I'm always gonna say someone like Rick Owens. Just see any of his pieces. It doesn't need to have any type of insignia on it. You just know it's that. Or Balenci, it got like the baggy look, and it doesn't need to even have the logos type shit. That's definitely inspiring. I try to do that with my brand, where you can like see it and instantly know it's me without it having to say a name or nothing like that.
And are there any things you're looking to accumulate in the near future?
I mean, like it's like what people saying. I definitely love what Balenci's doing with the silhouettes and the way that they do that. Raf. That's about it. I mean, shit, I'll just get whatever I like usually. How Cole on Instagram is with it.
Well, I'm going to finish this off, but it was so great interviewing you.
Oh, 100%. I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, I'm going.
Just a quick outro. So that was definitely a cool experience, and I was able to get some interviews of some like smaller designers, artists, whatever. So as always, I would appreciate all the common YouTube courtesy shit that you do. And I'll see you in the next, I guess.